Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm making ramen noodle soup. Here it is right here. We're making the soy sauce flavor right here. Ramen noodle soup is one of my favorite foods. It's really good. So I already started, but then I got the idea to make a video. So what you're gonna wanna do is get like a pan. Actually, we're making 2 packets, but I'm gonna do it in 1 packet. So there's actually instructions on the back. They're really easy, but I'm gonna be making it in a certain way. So it says add 2 cups of water and cook for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. So our water is it says like get your water to a boil, and then you can turn the heat down. So it says that you should add the noodles and then the flavor. I like to add the flavor then the noodles, so that's like a certain way. So 2 cups in a pan, then you stir it a bit, and then our water is boiled and I've already added the flavor. So you can pause the video, get your water. It'll take like 3 minutes to get it to a boil, and then it'll be good to put the flavor into. And you're gonna need 2 cups of water for the one, but we used 4 cups for 2 packets. So now I'm gonna put the cup or the noodles in. Now that our noodles are in, they're going to start loosening up. The noodles are hard right now, like spaghetti noodles. You have to put water, and I've really actually never made spaghetti noodles. But see, then they'll start to soften up, and they'll be loose all in the pot, and then they'll be almost ready to serve. You kind of want to just stir them a bit. Just wait for them to soften up and loosen out of its like package form. Another thing I like to do is most of them have kind of spilled, but there's just broken parts, so I just pour those in just to get your money's worth, and just add extra noodles just because. Alright, now the noodles should be almost. Okay, now that our noodles are soft and loosened from the package form, they should look like this. You might have to stir it. I kind of stirred it just to get the second package loosened. So you just want to stir it for like about a minute, I say. You want to stir it somewhere close, or probably around a minute. I'm pretty sure that's what it says. We're gonna go back to the instructions here, and product is contents. So turn off heat. It says turn off heat. I usually keep it on, but actually I probably should be turning it off. So I keep the heat on to like loosen up the noodles. And keep them hot. So now after your noodles are loosened, you can turn off the heat. Then stir well for 1 minute, and then you should be good, and then I'll serve it and eat it. So I've stirred it for about a minute, and this is the soup this is what it should look like. It looks good. Flavor all in there. The flavor is the broth, obviously, and this is the noodles. So now I'm gonna serve. One more step before serving. You want to get a hot pad and your oven mitts. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this over at the table. We have some other things going with lunch. We have some salted cucumbers and some watermelon to go with. So I'm gonna set my hot pad right next. You grab your oven mitts and you wanna carry the pan or the pot over. So here, I'm gonna grab it like this. Trying not to spill any, don't spill any. We have our bowls set out. You're gonna eat your ramen in a bowl. Set it on the hot pad, and then grab your ladle. Put your bowl probably right next to the pan so nothing drips. Then you just put your noodles in the now that all the bowls are filled, we have our cucumbers. You don't have to have the cucumbers or watermelon, that's not part of the meal. But we have our ramen noodles and we should be ready to eat. So you're gonna actually need a fork and a spoon. So another way to cool them off, because they're probably pretty hot, you take them with a fork like this and you blow on them. And then they should be good. Good. All right, that was the soy sauce flavor. You can do that with any flavors. Thank you for watching.